number of Japanese corporations to develop their business to Africa, there are several barriers or walls they need to overcome. Unfortunately, there are still challenges for Japanese corporation in doing business in Africa. Insufficient basic infrastructure, safety in living, inadequate implementation of regulations and systems, etc. However, they are not new for us. They are the risks business must take once they decided to start business in new upcoming markets. In fact, a number of Japanese corporations have experienced similar endeavor in Asia back in 1960s. At that time, Japanese corporations overcame all the problems like the ones we find in Africa. Situation with Africa today is similar to our stories with Asia. Only difference is our familiarity over the region. The Japanese business seriously lacks knowledge and insights about the African market. For Japan, Africa has been a distant area with limited exchanges over the history.
When it comes to investments, we would like investment from every country to come in over here. So it's not about, since the Chinese are investing, are the Japanese following behind and so on. That's not the case. This is about Kenya's attractiveness as an investment destination. Are we competitive enough? Can investors use Kenya as a springboard to produce here and export to the rest of Africa competitively and get market share? So we believe, having been here, and the Kenya Association of Manufacturers has been in existence for 60 years, that there is a lot of investment potential here. The workforce is excellent, and we are able to be competitive and export to the region. So I would say that I needed to destroy this myth about one country against another. We welcome investment from all countries and all destinations.
The Japan Business Council for Africa was set up at TCAT 7 in Yokohama last year, and with a view that private sector of Japan engages private sector in Africa. And for the first trade mission in Africa, they've chosen to come to Kenya. So that's a very strong signal, and we're looking at it's a big delegation, almost 90 people from 40 companies in Japan, so as well as the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry. So it's a strong delegation. We're looking forward to interaction and also getting them familiarized with the Kenyan environment, and hope to use that as a springboard for future discussion and dialogue with them. See, Japan is going to be investing close to 700 to 800 million dollars, so that's 70 to 80 billion shillings in infrastructure through JICA. That's already happening. But what we're going to see is private investment coming in, creating and forging partnerships with Kenyan businesses, and for Kenyan businesses to then accelerate, enhance their competitiveness, enhance their lean manufacturing, and be competitive to export to the African continental free trade area.